on that final project thing.
Oh, yeah. Well, I turned it in on Wednesday, and then she got back to me. She was like, "Oh, good, turn it in." And I was like, "Oh, cool." Oh, so which
Oh,
reminds me,
awesome.
Andy, I'll email it to you.
Yes, that'll be awesome. So I can start on my other one.
Yeah, yeah. Because are you doing the make inferences and stuff?
Yeah.
Pretty much, Amazon was more expensive.
Okay. No.
Well, I've got the statistical whatever on there, but
Oh, yeah.
yeah. Anyway,
Good.
so
Yeah, I should
what am
hopefully
I?
have that done by tomorrow and then
Okay.
get ahead on it, I guess. But
Yeah, I'm all good with that because it's always good to get ahead.
yeah.
Yeah. Let me get to 23. Okay, so this one was still kind of a bit confusing because I went through it kind of quick. So I hope I
Mm-hmm.
got it. But it's really,
Me
really,
too.
really, really similar to what we have been doing. So
Yeah. Just more tests.
yeah, it's just, yeah,
Mhm.
like another kind again. Okay. I'm gonna open up the quiz and look at the questions and be like, okay, is it doable?
It
Is it
looks
not?
too bad from what I can see, but
Oh, okay. Should I look at it? Uh, oh, 18 questions. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. This is stuff that we've already done. Okay, we can do this. No
yeah.
big deal. Okay, cool. Did you have any questions on the homework, or I kind of like stumbled through it and
I know. I was like, I
yeah.
went through on like Thursday, I think so. It's
Yeah, I
been a
know.
while,
I
but
did it a while ago.
hopefully I
I'm
can
like,
remember it.
I reviewed it like Sunday night a little bit, but now it's Tuesday, so I'm like, oh well.
Yeah.
Whoops.
Yeah.
Okay, let me get these up. Oh.
I'm all ready to go.
Okay. Pulling up the crocodiles. Oh, the computer likes to yell at me sometimes. Okay, I'm ready. So question 3, the true linear regression equation is the y equals BO plus B1x when BO and B1 oops, are unknown. What are the null and alternate hypotheses for B1? Obviously equals 0 is the null. And what should it be? Can it be greater than 0 for the alternate?
Ugh, I can't really hear you. I'm like trying to.
Oh, did you say you can't really hear me?
Yeah. It's like,
Oh, sorry. I'm all
like hear the
talking in
question and
my
then I was like, ah.
I'm talking in my man voice too, because that's okay. Oh, I was just saying that the null hypothesis would be equals 0, and then the alternate hypothesis, I'm guessing, would be greater than 0. And now
So
I'm trying to
in my notes, I have it not equal to 0.
not equal. Let's see. Da, 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 da.
But
I don't remember this in the lesson. What the heck?
in my notes, it's pretty close to the end,
Oh, that's probably.
but I'm not sure if it's just for that one test.
Oh, might have looked over that. Mm.
Oh yeah, so at the bottom, at the very, very bottom when it says remember, it
Oh,
has the equals 0 and then not equals 0.
oh, you are
Not
right. Yep, not equals 0. Good job. Yeah, okay. So not equals 0. So equals 0 and then not equals 0. Yep.
Okay, and then question 4 says a residual is dot dot dot. And I have the difference between the observed y and predicted.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. That's a little confusing with like BO and B1 because that's
Yeah.
like Y and X, but yeah. I agree with that. Okay. A plot of residual supports using linear regression when they look like odd dog, or what is it? Let's see. Next image. Ooh. Because the pattern for the linear one is you're looking for the hot dog, right? But that's not on
Like
here,
for the
so.
scatter, well, that can be a scatter plot too, but for the residual, I have that there's no pattern.
Mm-hmm. That it's just kind of, wait, where's my.
So I think it'd be they're normally distributed because all the other ones disqualify it. Well, not
Oh,
positive.
yeah.
It doesn't always have to be.
Because for the linear relationship, you check it using a scatter plot, but you're hoping to see the hot dog shape. But
Yeah.
let's see. So this one, do you think that'd be the pattern? Or that they're all positive?
Pattern. I don't think you're supposed to see. Well, because it was kind of confusing. Because in the reading, he was like, a pattern is like a wave that goes back and forth, or like something like
Oh,
that.
true.
You don't want to see
True.
that, I think.
Well, I know the other one they were talking about was the like megaphone shape, but I but I don't think that was a linear one.
No, that was for the variance.
Yeah, I'm like, that's not it. Because
Yes, I would say the
in,
first.
yeah, that's what I was thinking. Because when they're, some of them can be negative, because like we can have a linear regression in the negative as well. So,
Yeah,
yeah.
that'd be my best guess.
Okay.
Oh, woo! Math self-efficacy. I feel like we look at this data all the time.
I know, like, okay. Putting that in pronto.
So you're confident. Oh, I did it backwards. Okay,
Oh,
that might help.
because we're doing it as score and then the response for the.
You said confidence was the explanatory?
Oh no, yeah, they're. Oh, I hate when they do that. Just kidding. Okay, changing it.
Okay. Okay.
I was so excited too because I was like, "Yay, I did it so fast!" Oh,
I know.
just
That's me too.
kidding.
Oh,
Nope,
dang.
that's okay.
Response. Okay.
Oh, okay. Well, I'm doing that again.
So can you just do like a residual plot for this one?
You should be able to.
Okay. And that's just a scatter plot with like column D and E, right?
Yes.
Okay, I just want to make sure.
Okay. Whoa. Oops.
What are you thinking on that one?
Okay. Because I did the scatter plot thing, and that is kind of smack dab in the middle.
Yeah.
Mm.
But they are between 40 and 25. I didn't know that was really applicable.
Oh, negative 40. Oh, that is true. That is true. I think that one. Because it's not linear either. Yeah. Yep. Cool. Okay.
I still like cube plot. Oh gosh.
What can you say about these residuals? And this is the other one. Oh,
And now I get to make a cube plot.
yay. For the same data, right?
Yeah, but you can just use the residuals, right?
I think so.
Okay. Hope so. My thing has been having troubles. It's like we found an error in your like formula or whatever. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And you're
so,
like, nope.
Yeah. Ah. That is so annoying. Is it letting you do yours?
Oh. Where is my QQ plot?
It's in the.
No. I forgot where mine was. I haven't used it in a while. Like, oh.
It was one of the first ones, I think.
Hold on. Oh, I think I just did this on the homework, but I forgot where it was.
I don't know what is going on. I'll try opening it up again, but hopefully it'll let me do it eventually.
Yeah, like that would be nice. Oh, not that.
Ah, I hate you.
Oops. Okay.
I don't know. It's good.
Descriptive statistic. Okay.
How did your QQ plot look? Did you get it to work?
No, I didn't get it to work. That's okay. How did yours look? I'll get it, but
I don't know. I can't get it to pull up. I don't know if you're just having troubles too, or if it's just mine. Oh my god.
oh, it's so good. I just forgot where to find it. Like, where's my wait?
Oh.
I will look.
I think it was. I'm trying to remember.
Because you do insert, and then there's all those like things you can do. And I don't know. Let's see. I'm gonna look at the.
I think it was that very first one. Like, are you talking about the file? What file it was in?
Yes. Like what Excel.
Yeah, so it was in the quantitative descriptive statistics. I think.
Okay.
And then it was in a tab that was under QQ plots.
Maybe that's why I can't find it, because that's probably what I was on when I actually did it. Oh, I pulled it up the other day. It's in my history. Okay, wait.
Good thing we're both having
So we're
trouble.
just.
We'll get it eventually.
I'm so out of it today. Let's see. So we're just using. Oops. Just using the. What's it called?
So we're making a QQ plot, right? Just with the residual data. I think so.
Let me go to the first one. No.
Ugh, it still won't let me. And I opened up a new file. Oh my gosh. I can't get it to work.
Or in other words, it's a box plot.
A box plot?
Because that's what it's telling me to do. It's like, well, but it's not, because they're different.
Yeah, yeah. I'll just have to guess because I can't get it to pull up.
Oh my God. Nope. We'll figure that out eventually. Okay. Well,
Maybe.
I would probably say they're fairly normal. I have no idea.
Oh. Yeah,
Right
gonna have to
skewed.
figure that out. And I didn't even know residuals could be right skewed.
Yeah, I didn't know.
So
Okay, scatter plot. We can do that. Okay, so question 8. Make a scatter plot. Given the scatter plot residuals plot and the QQ plot, which of the 5 assumptions about linear regression are satisfied by this data?
Oh gosh, I don't have a QQ plot. Okay. Scatter plot, residual plot. Okay.
Yeah, this is a lot harder than I thought, man.
Yikes.
Okay, wait.
Okay. So my scatter plot. My scatter plot medium looks like a hot dog.
Oops. Oops.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, I've given up on the QQ plot. Nope, given up. Okay. We'll just probably have to guess on this one as well. So we can guess from the scatter plot. Ugh,
Yeah.
that doesn't really give us too much information.
My scatter plot
And
looks pretty good.
yeah, and like we already guessed on the previous one that they're sort of normally distributed,
Yeah.
or they've got like a normal relationship. So I'm guessing that one. Ooh. And are they
And then
independent? I don't know. Well, I'm guessing there's a linear relationship between X and Y.
I think so too. The variant. So there is no megaphone, so that means that there is a variance, a good variance. I think.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So the first three. Number four doesn't
Oh
seem
gosh.
very
And then the last
plausible.
two. In my notes,
Um,
it just said like the X values and the observations. You can't check them.
yeah. Yeah, I don't think
They're
we would
just
include the last two either.
okay.
Okay.
Sick.
And then,
Let's go for those
yeah,
ones.
we'll just see. We could be totally off. Okay.
Oh my
Question
god.
9. What is B1? The estimate for the slope. So that is our, oh,
Oh,
so this one,
12.695.
yep, 12.695. The one on
Oh,
the
okay.
thing. Yep.
Okay. Confidence level. Okay, for B1.
You ready for question 10?
Yeah.
Okay. And that one is just like on the same page, the lower bound.
Yeah. So did you get 10.674? That one? Okay.
We're still doing B1, right?
Yeah.
And the upper bound was like 14.715.
Yeah, that's what I got. Okay. Level of significance. Okay. So we're just looking at that itty bitty p-value, right?
Yep, which is like way far away from 0. This one, yeah, reject, because it's smaller than a level of significance, so you reject the null hypothesis because the p-value is less. And in this case, it's way less.
Way super less, yeah.
Way super less.
Okay. So if you reject the null hypothesis, what does that mean?
I remember to reject means there's insufficient evidence. And then whatever the null hypothesis was, where equals 0. Let's see.
I thought it meant that there would be sufficient because you rejected the null that it equaled each other.
Oh, just kidding. You're right. Because hold on. Right. Because when it's very, very small, that means that you have like a lot of samples or a lot of whatever.
Yeah.
And they have a very, very strong connection, which means it's a strong connection away from your null hypothesis.
Yeah.
Right? So there's like way more evidence, which means there is
Mhm.
sufficient. Just kidding, I've got them backwards. So then it means there's sufficient evidence of the alternate hypothesis.
Yeah.
Right? The sufficient evidence that like they're different.
So to be
So the last one.
Yeah. Yeah. That's, I'm like trying to think if it equals 0, if it's not 0. It's not 0 because that's our null is that it is 0, so we have just sufficient evidence that it's not.
Mm-hmm.
That makes sense. I just had to think about it.
Yeah. I know, I always get them backwards, and I'm like, oh. Actually, there's a lot of things that I get backwards because they're so similar.
I know.
It's just like changing a plus or a minus, and I'm like, oh.
Wow.
Okay. Okay.
Woohoo, new data.
Okay, so question 14. Okay, so it says head length was used to predict body length. So head length and the body length. And then it says for this data, which variable is the dependent variable, which is the second one, which is body length, right?
Dependent. I always mix this up, so I have to make sure before I tell you anything.
I know. It's one of those. So because I think independent is you're on your own, but dependent is you depend on the other one.
Yeah. So I think you say body length is dependent on head length.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh. Okay, now I gotta put in all this stuff.
Okay.
So body length and then head length, what did we say? Making us switch it again.
So this is going to take me a second.
Oh. Head length and then body length. Okay, just kidding. So we can keep them the same. Okay, whoops. Oh, I have to get... Oh. Okay, hold on.
Okay. Oh, not very many pieces. Pretty nice.
Like, this is good. I know, instead of like, how many samples? 200?
Yeah.
Something samples, right? Oh. Yeah, I definitely feel like I've put this one in before. Because I probably have.
Oh, me too. Yeah, this crocodile data.
Yeah.
Crocodile math. Margin of error. Oh, gosh.
Oh, are we doing this again? Okay.
Time to turn to my notes.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Where's my calculator? We're doing it for B1, right? Okay. Or for the slope.
I hope so.
You're like, that's what I'm doing. So.
I don't actually know how to do.
Huh?
I don't think I know how.
Oh, I do it the cheat way. I got 0.4425. So what I normally do is I just take the upper bound and the lower bound and I subtract. So like the upper bound 8.103 minus 7.218 and then divide it in half. Yep.
And got 0.4425. But it's but that doesn't take anything into consideration for the 95%. It doesn't matter?
Nope. Well, because the 95% creates those numbers. If it was a 90%, then it would be different numbers. And then you just do margin of error for that 90%. But because of the numbers we've received with the 90% confidence interval, then it's the margin of error for specifically the 95% confidence interval. But
well, I hope that works. I've never done that before. That's fancy.
That's my quick way of doing it. And normally it's pretty on. But if we get it wrong, then we'll actually have to go to the real way.
Yeah.
We're rounding it to the 3, whatever, 3 decimal places. So 0.443? Then?
443, yeah.
Okay.
We're good on the upper and lower. Okay.
The lower is the 7 point.
Based on your lower bound and upper bound, what can you say about B1?
It's in the positive here.
The first one?
Oh, this one. Oh. Yeah, I'm thinking the first one. Yeah.
Yep.
95% confident. Oh, that's it. Wow, that actually went a lot faster than I thought. Okay.
Like, I'll need a couple more.
Yeah, I thought there's gonna be a lot more.
Yeah.
All right. Let's see which ones we got right.
Let's try it out.
And wrong. Oh, what? What the heck? And we guessed. What the? Oh, no. We did not get 100%.
I got 100%.
Oh,
I thought you meant you didn't. I was like, what?
No, I'm like, no, there's no way. We totally guessed on 2 of those. Like, there's no freaking way.
Oh, man.
Okay, well, no, like, hey, margin of error is super easy with that little thing.
Okay, I'll have to write myself a note because I always forget.
That's like how I always do margin of error. I always double check with the real equation, but like, normally it works that way. I just take the confidence intervals and the biggest one and the smallest one, I subtract the biggest one minus the smallest one, and then whatever I get, I just divide it in half. Like even if it's a negative,
2,
like if it's 2, like negative 0.5 and like 2, I'll put 2 minus negative 0.5 and then divide that in half. And and then it normally works out to be the margin of error. So.
That's fabulous.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Well, this was awesome, but I'm definitely going to go back and review and figure out how to do this stinking QQ plot and text you. Because
I don't know what's up with it. You have to do something.
Oh, good. I just plain out forgot how to do it on my Excel.
I think honestly, you just go in there and then you do highest or lowest to highest. Lowest to highest, yeah.
I picked all the wait, is there a line? No, so like I've got my all my charts that I could do on Excel in a row. Like I've got a whole 15 or 20 of them up on my screen, but none of them say QQ plot. I can do pie charts, bar charts, area, like map, stock, surface, but like
it's not
QQ plot is not on there.
No, but because there was like a specific Excel that she did QQ plots in.
Yeah, and so I'm gonna find it and figure it out. Oh my goodness, did I just figure this? Wait a second. Oh, no.
No.
Oh, sort of. No, I didn't. No. I don't know. Oh, anyway, it'll be good. I'll figure it out eventually.
All right,
anyway,
well, send me
and I will do the thing right now, or in a little bit. Yep. No, I'll do it right now. Do I have your? I think I have your email. Because Taylor, he emailed us all the other one, right?
Yeah. We'll see
looked
that.
at the data. Okay, and I'll hurry and email you the finished one that I turned in.
Yeah, that'll be awesome. And then I'll get that done.
Cool. Okay, well, thanks for being awesome. And I hope your week
You're welcome.
goes better. And yeah.
Yeah, good luck on your finals and things.
Yeah, you too. Okay, see ya.
See ya.